Have you noticed something about plane crashes lately? Since 2018, nearly every major crash has involved Boeing, Lion Air, Ethiopian Airlines, Alaska Airlines, and now Air India Flight AI-171. 272 people died, the first fatal crash of a Boeing 787 Dreamliner. It's not just bad luck, it's rushed production, ignored inspections, and cost-cutting decisions. Airbus systems can override pilot error. Boeing, it leaves more in the pilot's hands, even when it fails. Boeing added a system called MECAS to the 737 MAX without telling pilots. That software killed 346 people. Since then, Boeing has faced lawsuits, grounded fleets, and lost the public's trust. And now, 2025, Flight AI-171 goes down in flames. The sky is sending a message. This isn't just Boeing's crisis, it's a warning from above.